Alright guys, today we're going to be installing Windows N... not Windows NT, no. MS-DOS 7.1 in VirtualBox. So when we create the virtual machine, just call it whatever you want for the name. But then make sure the type is other and the version is DOS. Click next. Oh wait, what the heck? Memory size, go half a gigabyte if you can. If you can't, then you probably need to upgrade your RAM. But yeah, go to half a gigabyte. Now for the hard disk, we're going to create one. So just click next, just have VDI. Dynamically allocated, you don't want to take so much time to create their hard disk. Now just make it 16 gigabytes or more. This version of DOS actually supports larger hard drives. The reason why I prefer over 6.22, which everyone uses apparently. But yeah, this version of DOS already comes with a bunch of utilities, so we're not going to have to install very many drivers. Except the SoundBox 16 driver, which I will actually link. MS-DOS 7.1 is available from WinWorld PC. Well, now we gotta enable this in system. Yes, you do need to customize a bunch of settings. Most people don't do this. Acceleration doesn't really matter at all if you have it enabled or not. Don't do multiple processors, but do enable this. And do this. And then go to display. Set it all the way to 128 megabytes and enable 3D acceleration. This doesn't work. Storage. Insert your MS-DOS 7.1 boot CD. Audio. Use SoundBox 16. There is no AC97 video audio drivers for MS-DOS at all. And this doesn't work. What, Aiden?
I want my mac and cheese.
No. Anyway.
Please.
No.
Why?
Because I don't like mac and cheese a lot.
It's only a little.
You can finish it. Anyway, well, use SoundBox 16 and this doesn't work.
I'm sick.
On SoundBox 16.
No, I'm sick. I can't eat it.
I don't care if you're sick. Give it to someone else. Anyway, but
You said no.
I don't want it. Anyway, well, do SoundBox 16.
I won't listen to your computer. I will listen to your computer talk for 15 minutes if you eat it.
Enable network adapter. Eden, I'm recording a video actually right now. Anyway, we'll enable this network adapter and use AMD PCNet Fast 3.
I'll listen to your computer talk for 15 minutes if you eat it.
Whatever, Aiden. I'm making a video right now. I don't care if you're in here or not.
Oh!
Anyway, don't do serial ports. I don't know what they are. But anyway, well, don't enable this. It doesn't work in DOS. But yeah, actually we should be about done. Honestly, with all this configuration, we should be about done. Now, the fun part. We're going to install it. It should be starting up soon. My computer's not that slow. It can run CEMU. Hey. What was wrong with it? Hey, well, we're going to install it. So, press 1 to install it. Of course, it loads the mouse driver while I'm doing that. The mouse isn't working properly. Who cares? Anyway, well, yeah, just use the keyboard. You can move the cursor out of the way if you want. Or you can use a mouse and click on the buttons, but I prefer the keyboard. Yeah, let's see. Hit next, and I agree, next. Just click continue. Click create this. It's gonna format it, the virtual hard disk. Please wait for it. It'll take a while. Now we gotta reboot. And then we haven't installed it yet. We just formatted the hard disk. That's all we did. But yeah, now we gotta hit next, continue, and yes we do. Anyway, set to whatever path you want. I'm just gonna do C/DOS, hit next, and when it asks you for this, yes you do want to create it. Now just go all the way down to do the full installation with all the add-ons. and just do access DOS. Then click OK. Click continue. Yes. 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 Okay, these are not the drivers for SoundBlaster 16. So we're going to do no sound card or none of the above. And click continue. And then hit yes. 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 Yeah. Just keep on saying yes and clicking OK. Now, yes, auto run at each time. There are no more add-ons, so hit no. Hit yes, and then hit yes. Yes. Enable both. Load both. I'll do it later, Aiden, when I'm done with this. Because I gotta finish this. Anyway, so now click OK.
Can I go on your computer when?
Yes, when I'm done. You know, yes, if you want to reboot now. Sorry, I had to tell him. Now boot from the hard drive. And now, Shift and F9. Oh yeah, if you saw there, I actually disabled DOS long file name and enabled everything else. Do exactly what I did. Because there are actually some DOS utilities that don't. Oh, come on. There are actually some DOS utilities that don't work properly with long file names. So yeah, I disabled them. Enabled everything else because they all work in VirtualBox. Now we're going to install the sound drivers. And don't worry, you don't need to install CD-ROM driver. Now go to this D drive and type in install.exe. And now it takes you to this, just press enter. Do the full installation. There is no Windows. This is not a guide on how to install Windows. But yeah, just proceed with settings shown. Then proceed with settings shown. And now you want to reboot the system by pressing F10. Don't worry, it won't boot from the CD. It's not a bootable CD, so it'll boot from the hard drive. There we go. Now take it out. And we actually finished. Now you can do whatever DOS program you want. If you know how to insert stuff into the virtual floppy disk drive and stuff like that. If you want to shut down the system, just type in shut down and then press S. That's it. We're done installing it. Bye.